In today's video, I'll be sharing with you simple 5 recommendations that can be helpful if you are suffering from lower back pain or bulged disc. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My recommendations are going to be simple, but they are not going to be tasty. So if you are okay with the taste, then try these recommendations. Maybe they will be helpful for you. My first recommendation is consuming castor oil. Don't be afraid by listening the name of castor oil. You don't have to take a lot. I don't want you to have purgative effect that you are having loose motions or loose stool and you are sitting in the toilet. No, nothing like this. We'll be using castor oil in very small doses so that it works as a medicine, doesn't give any of the extra work, and will be easy on your intestine also, and is not going to cause any of the problems with the digestion. Castor oil in small doses is going to decrease the inflammation, the pain that you suffer because of the bulged disc. Yes, castor oil can be a big help. That's why my first recommendation is with castor oil. How much castor oil to use? Just 1 teaspoon of castor oil. I will recommend to warm the castor oil a bit before using it, and then just take this warm castor oil 1 teaspoon at night before sleep. Yes, you can drink it with warm water. If you are not comfortable in drinking castor oil, then nowadays in the market there are capsules also available of castor oil. You can buy of any brand. Try to get the maximum dose which is available near to you. For example, some capsules might be offering 700 milligrams of castor oil. So go for that. If you can get 1 gram of castor oil in 1 capsule, great. How many capsules to take? At least 2 to 3 capsules you have to take at night before sleep. You will be taking them only once in a day, and that too at night before sleep. You will be drinking them with warm water. Just 2 capsules or 3 capsules are not going to give that diarrhea effect or loose motion effect. So don't be worried about that. Start using castor oil. This will be a help. And this is not just a theory. I have recommended to many of my patients and they have given me positive feedbacks. Only after that, I'm sharing it with you also. Castor oil, try it out. My second recommendation is with sesame seeds. Yes, simple sesame seeds can be a big help. Why? Because sesame seeds are full of zinc, are full of magnesium, which is going to help to relax your muscles, to relax your disc, and is going to help in absorption of vitamin D3 also, to activate your vitamin D3. For this, we need magnesium. Magnesium will be a big help that you are going to get from sesame seeds. Not only this, but sesame seeds are going to also improve your digestion. So your digestion will be better so that your body can get all the vitamins and minerals from the food that you are eating. And this is going to fasten the recovery. So if you want to get rid of any kinds of inflammation, pain in the body, you should be having a healthy gut. And in promoting healthy gut, sesame seeds are going to be very, very effective. They are going to enhance your sleep also. You are going to sleep better. You can go into deep sleep also with the help of sesame seeds. You can use white sesame seeds also. Just take 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, soak them in the water in the morning, and at night, 1 hour before sleep, just take these sesame seeds and chew them and then eat them. They are going to be not bad in taste. For me, they're actually good in taste. So try them out. Maybe you will also feel that yes, they're not so bad in taste. They can be eaten every single day. And sesame seeds can be taken throughout the year. Just have a gap when it's too hot at your place. So only if it's too hot, you will be not using. In all other seasons, you can use sesame seeds. Just 1 teaspoon at night. You can just chew them and you can eat them. And of course, I forgot to mention, yes, sesame seeds are loaded with calcium also. So you are going to get good amount of calcium also. That is going to help you to have good and healthy bones and joints. And this is going to help you to heal that bulge disc faster. My third recommendation is with vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is very, very crucial for the health of your disc. If you want your disc to repair fast, if you don't want to get any of the injuries of the disc, if you want your bones to be healthy, vitamin D3 is very, very crucial. If you haven't checked your vitamin D3 or you haven't consumed vitamin D3, I will suggest you to do vitamin D3 blood check and see the level of vitamin D3. If, for example, the normal range of vitamin D3 in your blood report is between 30 to 100, then you should be holding your vitamin D3 levels in between means near to 50 to 60, somewhere over there. But if your vitamin D3 is 30, 35, don't think, oh, it's normal, I don't have to worry about it. No, I'll recommend you to have good amounts of vitamin D3. That is going to be beneficial for your bones. If you are lacking in vitamin D3, you have to expose your skin to the sun in the morning or in the evening. You can do it. But if you are not able to do it, then you have to supplement vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is very, very crucial. My fourth recommendation, this is about the diet. Ayurveda, the holistic medical science, says that this issue, bulging of the disc, can be because of the Vata disbalance, means the air component disbalance. So Ayurveda recommends Vata pacifying diet. So very simple diet. I have it on my website, that's drvivekherbs.in. I'll put the link down below. There is just simple list of products that you should consume and simple list of food products that you should avoid. That's it. Just follow that diet. In general, if I have to explain Vata pacifying diet, then this is a diet where you have to eat everything cooked. You have to avoid raw food, fermented food, too much sour food, too much salty food, carbonated stuff. You have to avoid all these stuffs. Anything that makes sound when you eat it. My last recommendation is also from Ayurveda. This is use of enemas. If you are comfortable with enemas, this is going to be a big help. Ayurveda says that one of the best treatment for Vata disorders is enemas. In Ayurveda, we call it basti. No, you don't have to clean your intestine every single day. No, this is different. These are going to be micro enemas, and these will be healing your body from inside. What happens with the kids, especially, you might have seen that many times the medicines are inserted through anal canal. Why? Because the absorption will be better and the effect will be better, and the side effects are going to be very, very less. So it will be pushing medicated oils or good oils through the anal canal. The absorption will be better and you will get maximum results. Ayurveda has different concept for that, but I'm just trying to make the things easier for you to understand. That's why I'm trying to use more modern terminology. So enemas are going to be a big help, but these are different from modern enemas. These are not cleaning enemas. These enemas you have to hold for whole of the night. Don't be worried. Don't panic. Let me explain you how it should be done. First, what we should be using. I'll give you some of the options. If you have an Ayurvedic practitioner near to you, consult them, talk about basti, talk about enemas. Maybe they will recommend to you. What I generally use is Tikta Sheer Basti. So if you have an Ayurvedic practitioner near to you, talk to him about Tikta Sheer Basti. And if you can get that done, this is going to be a help. If there is no Ayurvedic practitioner near to you, then you can use simple oil by yourself at home. Which oil to use? I'll give you two options. First is an Ayurvedic oil known as Sahacharadi Tail. Just try to get it. If you can get it, you can use this oil. But if this oil is not easily available near to you, then just take simple sesame seed oil. So my first option, I'll go for Tikta Sheer Basti. Second, for Sahacharadi oil. If this is also not available, then I will use simple sesame seed oil. Now, how to use these oils? Very simple. Just take 25 to 30 milliliters of any of the oil, warm it a bit, and then with the help of an enema syringe, yes, there are enema syringe also, push it into enema syringe, try to get the oil up to the knob of the syringe, and then lie down on the bed and just push it in the anal canal. Yes, you have to lubricate anal canals so that you don't get any of the trauma. The oil can be used to lubricate, and then just push this oil in. 25 to 30 milliliters, not more. Just one time in a day you have to do it, and that too at night before sleep. Try not to wake up after pushing this oil. Just try to go to sleep after pushing this oil, and try to hold this oil for whole of the night. You will be able to hold only if there will be the gap of at least 2 to 3 hours between your meal and your enemas. It can be 4 hours of gap also. It will be also good. But if not, then there should be a gap of at least 2 to 3 hours before pushing this enema. Just push it, go to sleep. You will notice that in the starting, maybe it will be a little bit discomfort and maybe it will be hard for you to hold this. But while trying to hold it, you will not remember also when you went to sleep. Your sleep is going to wake up only next day in the morning. You will feel that you have better sleep when you slept with enemas. Enemas are going to improve your sleep. Why? According to Ayurveda, they are going to balance the Vata in the body. And with balanced Vata, you are going to have awesome sleep. There are lots and lots of benefits of having Basti, Ayurvedic enemas. I have told you the most basic one. You can go with that. How long to do these enemas? up to the time your bulge disc hasn't been cured. It can take a month, it can take 2 months, it can take 3 months, it can take 4 months. Yes, these enemas can be done every single day for a long period of time. Natural stuff, effective and powerful. So these are my 5 recommendations, but I would also add over here that you should be doing some yoga practices if you want to get faster results. Don't just rely on the internet. Try to find a good yoga practitioner who can suggest you according to your health issues and try to perform those stretches, those exercises that can be very, very helpful in faster recovery of your bulge disc. I have a separate video on that. I'll put the link down below in the description box. If you are in pain, if you have discomfort, just do this simple exercise. This exercise will give you results. You have to do it just once or twice a day. And within a day or two, you are going to see that, yes, it really works. Add these 5 recommendations plus this exercise, this movement, and things will change for good. Try them out. Leave your feedbacks in the comments box down below. It will be interesting for me and other people also to read and understand how much effect you got and how was your journey. So do pass this information to the person who needs it. See you in next video with a big smile. Up to the time, smile more. Stay happy. Stay healthy.